Mama Bear Reviews, and today we are doing a fun video. We are going to be unboxing a PR package, and I'm super excited to unbox this package with you guys. So let's get into it.
It was crazy.
So this PR package, I took it out of the box because it had my address and stuff on it. But how cute is this case? Like, how cute is that? So this package is from GOLI, and it comes with this cute little like carrying case. It's adorable, you guys. So let's open it and let's see what's inside.
Okay, mommies and daddies, listen up. We're talking about GOLI Kids Multi Gummy, designed to help your little ones grow happy and healthy.
Okay, that's adorable.
Super selective about the things that you give to your kids. Good thing these gummies contain all 13 essential vitamins and key minerals to help fill your nutritional gaps. Like the gaps in my teeth. Your kids will be really
Okay, this is adorable.
because they taste like super yummy fruit buds. Yum.
How cute.
What are you waiting for? Get them today at GOLI.com.
Okay, that was freaking adorable. So it opens up and there's a screen and it like automatically starts playing. I was wondering because there was a charging cord that came with it, and you can totally plug it in and charge it, and like your kids can like have fun with it. That is seriously the cutest thing. So it talks all about their new Kids Multi Gummy, which my kids got to try. And I will say, let's see. How cute is that packaging? You guys, like, seriously, that is the cutest packaging ever. Super colorful, little bear. Oh my God, they're little bears. Oh, that's cute. Okay, so you know how the normal gummies are kind of like the little circle, kind of like flowery shape? These ones are little bears. Oh, that is so stinking cute. Okay, so it says 1 or 2 gummies, obviously depending on how old your kids are. So if your kids are 2 to 3 years old, you could take 1 gummy. 4 and up, you take 2 gummies. And it basically has all essential vitamins and key minerals. Like, seriously, the ingredients has like everything from vitamin A to zinc to like B12. I mean, it literally has everything. And there's only 2 grams of sugar. So not too bad for a multi-gummy. How cute is this? This is seriously the cutest package. As always, they're gluten-free, vegan, non-GMO. You know, it has vitamin D for bones and muscles, has vitamin C for healthy immune system, vitamin B for like brain and nervous system. So like the top of this has all like this quick guide. Seriously, this is the cutest thing. Thank you to GOLI for sending this cute PR package. It is seriously the cutest dang thing ever. Ah, so cute, you guys. So thank you to GOLI, and definitely snag your kids some of these. It has a really good kind of tart cherry flavor to it. So if your kids love cherry or any sort of like, let's see, it says the fruit blend is tart cherry, acai berry, apple, banana, strawberry, pomegranate, and goji berry. So it's definitely gonna have like a tart taste to it. So if your kids, you know, love that like kind of fruity tartness, they will love this. So definitely check them out. My code Mama Bear Reviews will give you a discount on this. I will link everything and put the code up. Definitely go snag it so your little ones can be part of the GOLI family.
Used to be scared of letting someone get close without